Introducing Digital Twin Training for the Aviation Industry, the future of flight simulation. And Digital Twins courses are powered by Tonex. In fact, not only training courses, but Tonex also offers seminars and consulting services. Are you interested in digital twins? Listen to this podcast. Watch this video.
Digital twins? What's that?
A digital twin in the aviation industry is a virtual model of an aircraft or a component of an aircraft. This model can be used to simulate and analyze the performance of the real aircraft or component, and can be used to predict and prevent potential issues. By using digital twins, airlines and manufacturers can improve the efficiency, safety, and maintenance of their aircraft, and can also reduce costs associated with test flights and physical testing. In simple terms, it's a virtual replica of an aircraft or component that helps to predict and prevent potential issues.
You know what? Digital twins technology is revolutionizing the way the aviation industry trains its personnel and prepares for the future of flight. The aviation industry has always been at the forefront of technological innovation, and it's no surprise that they are now embracing the concept of digital twins.
Digital twin training for the aviation industry provides a number of benefits. First, it allows for more accurate simulations of real-world scenarios, allowing for more accurate and reliable training. This can help to reduce the risk of accidents and other troublesome incidents.
The digital twin in aviation is rapidly becoming the go-to technology for the aerospace industry. As the industry moves towards more digital operations, it is essential that professionals are up to date with the latest developments and technologies. Digital twin aviation industry training is the perfect way to ensure that professionals have the knowledge and skills needed to stay competitive.
Digital Twin Aviation Industry Training is designed to provide aerospace professionals with the skills and knowledge to stay ahead of the curve in the ever-changing digital world. Through the training, professionals will learn the fundamentals of the digital twin aviation industry and how to use the technology to their advantage. Want to learn more? Request more information. Sign up for this training. Sign up as a group. Visit Tonex website www.tonex.com.
Don't miss new videos. Subscribe to see updates from Tonex YouTube channels. Thanks for being with us.